In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a project to Asana using a CSV or Excel file. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can quickly turn a spreadsheet of tasks into a fully functional Asana project. Before we start, make sure you already have your CSV or Excel file ready. Ideally, it should have columns like task name, due date, assignee, and any other details you want to bring into Asana. The cleaner and more organized your spreadsheet is, the smoother this import will go. Once you're logged into your Asana workspace, look at the left-hand sidebar where your projects are listed. Beside the word projects, or near your existing projects, you'll see a small plus sign. Click on that plus sign to begin creating something new. This is where Asana lets you start a brand new project from scratch or from a template. After clicking the plus sign, a small menu will appear. From this menu, choose New Project. This tells Asana that you're not just adding a single task, but setting up an entire project space. When you click New Project, a new window or panel will open with different options for how to create that project. In that new project window, look for the option labeled Import. Sometimes it might be grouped alongside options like Blank Project or Templates. Click on Import to let Asana know you want to bring in data from a file instead of building everything manually. Next, you'll be prompted to fill in the project details. Here, give your project a clear and descriptive name so that everyone on your team knows what it's about. You can also choose the team or workspace where this project should live, and sometimes a privacy setting depending on your Asana plan. Take a moment to double check this, because it affects who can see and collaborate on the project once it's created. After naming your project and confirming the basic details, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the import. Asana will guide you to upload your CSV or Excel file, and then it will ask you to map your spreadsheet columns to Asana fields. For example, you will match your task name column to the task name field in Asana, due date to due date, and so on. Review each mapping carefully. This is where you make sure everything lands in the right place. Once you've confirmed the mappings, continue through the prompts until Asana finishes processing. When it's done, you'll see your new project populated with tasks directly from your file.